In this video you'll see instructions on installing new hardware in the Exotic Nutrition Chinsprint wheel. Before beginning assembly, gather your tools. You'll need a Phillips head screwdriver, flat head screwdriver, Allen wrench, and larger wrench, which is included with your purchase. First, add the white plastic bushing to the center of the cartridge, followed by the bearings, one on each side. Next, install the cartridge and cover into the front of the wheel. Hold the bearings in place to ensure they don't fall out. Add the nut onto the back of the wheel at the end of the cartridge. Use the Allen wrench and larger wrench to tighten the cartridge into place. Use the flathead screwdriver to tighten the mini screw on the nut into place. Install the cage attachment bracket. Lastly, install the final screw and you're done. Your Chinsprint wheel is ready to use. For disassembly, simply follow these steps backwards. Add mineral oil to the bearings on a bi-weekly or monthly basis to keep the wheel running smoothly. If needed, you can purchase replacement hardware on exoticnutrition.com.